Ready to supercharge your business by connecting the power of AI with your marketing automation. First, let's get started with Retell AI. Navigate to your Retell AI dashboard. Look for the Integration or Connections section, usually found within your Settings or Control panel. This is where we'll kick things off. Now, head on over to your GoHighLevel account. Inside your GoHighLevel dashboard, search for the Integrations or Workflow section. This is your hub for automating everything from lead nurturing to scheduling. Within Retell AI, you'll likely need to generate your API keys or connection details. AI should provide these to you. This gives GoHighLevel the permission it needs to communicate with Retell AI. Carefully copy your API keys. Treat them like gold. In your GoHighLevel settings, look for where you can connect to a third-party service or external platform. The layout of these fields may differ depending on the version of your account, where you will be able to add in your Retell AI and API details. After pasting your API keys in the provided area, be sure to click Save, and this ensures the connection is securely established. You'll then be able to start setting up automated workflows in GoHighLevel, incorporating Retell AI actions like SMS replies as one example. Begin your automation journey. Create a workflow. Decide which actions or triggers you are going to implement with Retell AI. For instance, you may automate lead responses when someone fills out a form. Think effects, then respond using Retell AI. That's it. You've successfully linked Retell AI with GoHighLevel to boost your business automation and engage more effectively with your customers. So be sure to explore both platforms and experiment with the workflow capabilities for your business.